Hi, welcome to CobblerNCoals. I'm your host, Mr. Tim, and it's time for breakfast. Today, we're gonna make a Dutch oven pancake. But unlike last time, we're gonna stud this one with sausage links and drizzle a little bit of maple syrup on the top. It's amazing. Stick around, let's get cooking. We're starting with the dry ingredients of flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. And to that we're going to add our wet ingredients of milk, eggs, vanilla extract, and a little bit of vegetable oil. We're going to give this a mix, but do not overmix the batter. It makes for a tough pancake. You want to get it incorporated, but not overmixed. Now these are fully cooked sausage links of the brown and serve variety. You can do this with any other sausage links if you want to cook them ahead of time and then refrigerate them back at home. The reason that is important is because if you put raw sausage into your pancake batter, it'll take longer for your sausage just to get to a safe cook than it will take for your pancake to get finished. All right, move that knife away safely, and those are all done and ready to go. Next, I'll see you at the Dutch oven. Now that the coals are ready, we're gonna go ahead and pour this in. I've got parchment paper lining the Dutch oven. We're gonna pour it all in there. Look at that. Wanna push them in. Let's get all of these sausages in there. Now, a little bit of that maple syrup that I was talking about, and you just want to go all the way around. Now we have an amazing looking pancake. Go ahead and cut a wedge. Oh yeah. There you have it. Can't have a pancake without some, oh, look at that melted butter. Oh yeah. It's soft. I'm going in. That is amazing. We already know that the pancake is great. We've had it before with the cinnamon roll pancake. If you haven't seen that recipe, go ahead and take a look. But this, with the maple syrup baked in and drizzled on top, and then we've got some sauce. I'm gonna have to go back in for another piece with sausage in it. Oh yeah. Oh, looked like I left a piece of sausage behind. What a shame. Definitely a crowd pleaser. Perfect for Cub Scouts, adults. If your adult troop needs to make something for the weekend, great idea. You can plan ahead. You have your mason jars with all the mix in it. Add in the sausage. It's really customizable, and I plan on doing it in a few days with a little bit of caramelized banana on the bottom. Thank you to everyone who's watched. I really appreciate it. I really do enjoy the support that I get from every one of you. So take a moment, if you don't mind, reach out, drop a line, say hi, tell me where you're from, and what kind of ideas that you might have. I appreciate it, and as always, I'll catch you around the next campfire.
If you haven't already, like and subscribe so you can continue to see videos like this.